Hi, GCDs. Nima Olivia Aquaba. Hadia latest and hot news in Kwan and I'm a Bremo. MT Savunya subscriber ya Omodia say over subscribe to the channel. The way I say over click the subscribe button. Now barely notification. Awareness are you video be upload when the first person I was a video. I feel we are now like video give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer for us now when you be here now and some koso wo Ghana memu hanom afi ye bura eye ensemo abeto ye pono so yintie eye sankomo ye koso sasem ya ba beto ya yintie ho sem yintie
21,200 euros 21,200 euros bag be no we say me say and I'm saying when NPP was in opposition not me to bag say la sulala asema ni yakai we say so ye 4,086 pounds. Me say, niente ye trouble man and yes, I know my way. Niente ye trouble man only you kunu and say they have to impact the lives of people. Who move in northern part of every quantum of the school be and making sure someone employment rate is so take. I'm out from school, this ano mana and can cast and for Unesca life at Cassiani bag, I can send a motor to also their incompetence. Their man, I have their competence as I say, almost so a full enemy. Now, man, you need to bet my yes or competent. Then why? Can you tell me? Now, Samira about me, and I say, officer Ghana for your toya bobo damwana. Let me know why. Oh, chair, dear, why you become your competent. Oh, dear, when you must send tro, one number can't say, so a head of a economic management team, I'll be a vice president. Automatically, he's the head of a economic management team, and all the expertise on Nims and Ukunu. Now, Nims so Kunu yard number that and a Ghana for. Who then why? Who could not imperfect on yard or more number? One try to tell me the kind of things are why. One, some more cancer and also a full in this animal. It is not true. People are not having a problem with their personality. People are not attacking their personality. But people are attacking the this and the acts of full and evil.
Almost say, they know what's now. Emma Fuladini, a first lady. Send your own woman also your day. Oh, Ethiopia, oh, and Nidia.
And I mean, what are the police and programs of the other? A money crime is here. They're why. And they are be or by why on come but she has brought in proper dressing. She's the only first, second lady. Or top bagger.
Exchange rate depreciation. Yeah, Biden. So, Mukaya, 2017, 4.2.
Yeah.
2009, President Kufuor Kono, city no 1.2. And now, over 8 years, no. Omo 2009, 2016 record, no. Omo movie city no to 4.2. Which is increase of more than 300% increase and our depreciation in the city. Nene, the dollar to cedi is 5.4. And can say it hasn't shifted, but the rate at which
almost say, they know what's now. Emma Fuladini, a first lady. Hey! Oman ka say you want me to mean you. Oman ka say we need him you. Oman ka say we need him so. Oman ka say we need what they are made to. Almost say baby I'm free tea. And you know me and I just say what's on your day. Oh mo. Send your own woman also your day. Oh mo. Ethiopia oh wow in Nidia. Obio feels that what their own self attack. Obio feels say, oh yes, slow. What do you to me, Beshan and Sana? What do you to me?
The Dikai. After listening to Samira, one, nobody is having a problem with full and info. Let's be clear. Nobody is having a problem, but their deeds and their conduct, the acts of women, and I may have a man for no problem. But yes, I took a man 10 council. I'm Roberts. Obaka is full and info. My job is Karu Majani. Yes, full and info reprobi, no Majani. Full and info in the Chaku will be a fool, no Majani. People don't have a problem with their personality, but a kind of conduct, acts of Muyano. People always have issues with them. Where open baby back on us and touch my go. Obaka is your full and info, so be info, and it's Anoman. And my man, somehow can say, or we full and nini, almost so my first lady in this Anoman. Nobody is saying that. They are tossing me. May say what can say among Casa Edmond bet my Yumanu. And I want to ask Samira about me. Or by your second lady, she should tell me the kind of things why I am monumental one can't tell me. Obeni Kunbe vice president. I don't know me I'm a second lady. She should tell me the kind of achievements are why. Let me find out said there be a second lady. No, these are the achievements of the second lady. And I'm telling every Ghanaian, I'm what influence woman someone control famano. Okay. ABS a shabula sisi. And I can't say, oh, ABS, these are the kind of things that I've done. And if me cram pokra menya first lady no. The second lady na me no. Look at the kind of policies and programs I've brought on board. And he said, "Munya some fan trouble and for mami kunu obi anu ni problem." I want her to tell me the kind of things are why. One, say no more cancer and almost a flu ni sa no man. It is not true. People are not having a problem with their personality. People are not attacking the personality, but people are attacking the deeds and the acts of full and for. We should get it clear. Sabra sisi. Anya hi. Then full and for so more kroma. Say we mu people have a problem with them. No more catch am say boy. Yeah. You full and for akwabo say city TV say dey. O man o say dey be Umar Sanda. So full and yeah. What is so be akaso na nya problem dabi. But if you look at the this and acts, now you know what can I come full and for asem. Mame Samira Baumia. Wo tribe no. Omo actions full and for omo fi Ghana. Ebia ba be kaya baba wo bi mu a. But me pese me man full and for mo history e wo Ghana he. Fulani herdsmen kills one, injured others in Agogo village. In Shayasu Meda, Fulani herdsmen allegedly butchered 15-year-old boy. Ghana were known. Fulani herdsmen were killing and raping Agogo women. The danger of the single story in the Fulani menace narrative. Or saying, a farmer shot by Fulani herdsmen in Agogo traditional council. Was a conference in Ghana case study of the Fulani involvement. Fulani herdsmen were killing and raping women in Agogo. Was it Fulani herdsmen killed two farmers at Agogo. And to Okada say that is why I make a say we are not attacking personalities, but we are attacking the deeds and acts. Yes. A problematic Okroma. But I say I'm Robbie Bias over no, yes, full and info. You bet you full and info 5. You bet you full. It go to a point that full and info to you report be no manipulate you. These are the kind of acts and deeds that we are talking about. The kind of illegalities of Muyen Ukromano. And here can we say was it Agogo police investigating full and herdsmen. Yeah, we are Dom FM online. Now, Mamma Samira Baumia campaign no Shana ye. Now, Kofasa Assembly, we say Adom FM online to you. Fulani herdsmen killed 16-year-old boy near 16-year-old T store. What's it? A 16-year-old boy identified as David Anyara has been stabbed to death by nomadic herdsmen at Ananikru in the Asante Achem Agogo district of the Ashanti region. What's the incident reportedly occurred at about 6 p.m. on Monday, whilst the deceased went to fetch water with his friend. And it's here. People don't have issues with her. We are not attacking her personality, but we are attacking their deeds and acts. Yeah. Maybe you're bunny. Yeah. And you're bunny your papa. You're bunny who Jimmy. We are down Quasasam. It doesn't make the bunny in your corridor. Now, Samira Baumia, I want to tell her something. The brand line that follows through the veins of full and info. Yeah. I'm going to tell you. Shabra Sisi. Now, if you look at Samira Baumia, or by a second lady, every person be a trouble biano. I be a second lady no. One cardinal principle and primary responsibility is say you have to think about the welfare of the people. Yeah. Or make it just baby and you pretty well do no. The kind of links and influence that you have, you make sure so you show passion, you show you calm down, and you make sure you help them. And yes, I yeah. And say there were links be any sanoman. Mami, I a second lady. Or more time, and a second lady for it me college scholarship at the money near the school. Yeah. I bring Yanko point them say time. Monyam who when a second lady got me college scholarship at the money near the scholarship is meant for the vulnerable. Scholarship no or more who hear me at a team or papa to piano, Sanko for near Comasem, says Uncle for so to be. If you look at my baby vice president, and you could be vice president, or yes, second lady. Now, me catch it. Well, look at the kind of worthy things that the woman is buying.
Franco, abusuafo a mo hwe me nyina no. Samira Baumia de ho aba. Kogogo nebo Samira Baumia bags cost.
Oh, Zenie.
Franco. She. Ana da se no. Wo bo Samira Baumia ne bags and egu TV ni so no. Enti no oba ye no. Ma me Rebecca Kufuado aba be si dan e o konfa je fa ne Becca. Ma me Lordina Mahama akwakosi emse maternity blog a onkran to ba me bo Franco. Wo de oba ye no. Minim adia Samira Baumia wa lady. And apart from the food and for omo access omo kun nipa omo dia bone omo to nipa mona no. Wo ban at the office as at the office of the second lady no. Ka also to me this sad no e dey calm food and for the down. Now ba from now ja kuku ti sem no. Wo ba ni musa say ya kwa ma me Rebecca Kufuado say ne bags okura no. Ono kwa ka say wo hwe in Ghana batwa na do ne yire to aba ma omo. No omo to so ne Baumia ene ne yire. Wo na we ento so no wo kwa wo live a very expensive life.
Let me count me say
obi say
yes
o say me sorry bi wasi na mpasa me kan che obi say Samira Baumia should put the cost of her bags life no on fan to o say masa o say on put the cost of ne bags no na emfa go see hospital. And to show was saying Samira Baumia handbags cost 224,000. Lawyer Raf at Japan alleges.
And I make a choice. We have two set of people.
Yeah.
Bako, I am vice president. Bako, yes, I am president. Yeah. The main boss, I am another Danko Kufuado. She is doing compassionate work. Wababe Suwabam, yes, hospital.
Yeah.
Lordina Mama, Oko Pimo Kentampo Amuma. Wami is hospital. Yeah. But this woman is dealing with flashy things.
Yeah.
That's why I got top bag and it will be $200,000, $300,000. Or convert this carrying the bar. You can live a monumental project. So I'm confessing say omo like your sister to the mom. And the woman in answer Shabula Sisi. Yes, I didn't you. Sanko for no. Oh, what be my charge you are then obey that kono efe. Max I can you back security.
Mami Hems.
Shabu.
And now we
Max I can you back
Abusia for Samira Baumia no one pet. I didn't cross or pay. Yako bia woyenda dafo wiase a Samira Baumia number 1. Franco. Ye to ba wie pe na wadane slave queen. Na botre bono. Onguma yafe. Ba video na de kire mo na Samira Baumia egu ma yafe kama. Enkramofo a mo hwe me. Mon ka no kranche me. Da be na mo ko djuma mo hia Samira Baumia so be frenya me da. Da bena mu se Samira Baumia eguma ya afese kramoni bada wa na okofa ho asema ba me discuss you se onam se wo ye kramoni ba yento aba ema okunu a o se hu action no in action ebra okunu ye president
me say it is irrelevant nensam na wo kon na akokofa na ho de aba na Shabula Sisi
Uncle monsieur
adie bi obi ye bia no which goes against the constitution of Ghana.
Yeah.
Tells you that the person is indulging him or herself in illegality.
Okay.
Nipa no mu Ghana mara. And I'm telling you the reason why I'm
okay.
A court of competent jurisdiction tells you say money otibonzu problem na kwa pimo court. You are fighting over a land. Court also the state of execution at also. Munyama papa ni nyane juma. If mami so tembra se pan also de mra ye juma ke hu hia se ni abu Ramadan who is a Fulani person so kwa kubu bi dan dia to. That's why I make a choni.
Yeah.
Fulani person. Me say by their deeds and acts, and I'm focus on munya papa. A court of competent jurisdiction. A court of competent jurisdiction.
Court, yeah, I must say, what my state of execution, I must say in this one.
Thank you. The same court. I catch them, say, baby, minister of execution at also. Mamun Konko yet my papa Yajuma until the final determination of the matter. Now, Okasa as a million. Obia Kwako Pimo Jubilee House. I take inventory. At not for excavators. And your feet Jubilee House, I could put any to 12. Sasamo. And if Fulani from Mukuni Pai, any illegality. Now, no court of Kwana may who say, Samira Baumia, Mamma, Koni Hubi. Court. And I shall so can Ziatabana. Court. And I say, the person who is fingered, I will never say, be pan. They have, we're afraid to be lifting of veil. You lift the veil, nipa was shouting, and Samira Baumyama,
who is also a Fulani. Who is also a Fulani.
Tio. So why do you even have to bring this kind of stuff?
Or say, you're in cast or you're competent. You're in cast or you're incompetent, but or you're competent.
Yeah, then why are you competent? And I mean, what are the police and programs of the other? A money program is here. Yeah, then why? And why you be or buy why you do, or buy why you do, or buy why you do, buy why you do, on come here.
But she has brought in proper dressing. She's the only first, second lady. Or Timmy top bagger.
Who tell you for that? Who tell you for? Who dressing?
Simple.
Huh?
Simple.
And I saw the proper dressing in the dressing.
Someone Timmy top bag in the body. Hence. The bag is a bit.
My cousin, Miss Ghana, and it's a fashionista life, never be. We want people who can impact lives. People who think about the welfare of the people. Hey, and who did a life on Kwana boy.
We're supposed to get
my whole position of what's our life. As someone I walk at me. When the NPP was in opposition, soliciting and begging for funds, no boss our life.
I do a pounds, I say euro.
Yeah,
sign with.
Why are you?
Share that. 21,200 euros.
21,200
euros. Bag no.
And I'm saying, when NPP was in opposition, not me to bag say. Ah, as a man here can.
We say 4,086 pounds.
Me say, ni entire trouble man and yes, I know my way. The entire trouble man only you kuno and say they have to impact the lives of people. Woman fi no them part of every kwan mo be a school be and make sure say unemployment rate is so take amount frame co school ni sa no mana and can class and foforo. Unyeska life akese ne bag akese na moto to also their incompetence. Their man why their competence aspect
say almost so a Fulani ni na o man nyene de obetima ye so competent.
Then why can you tell me
na Samira Baumia ana say me officer Ghana for your to your bobo damo ana
me ni ma dia why
wo che ade a why nti abeka your competent wo dia onima say ntro wo na mo kan say ukunu so you head of economic management team or be a vice president automatically he's the head of economic management team and all the expertise on nim say ukunu na onim say ukunu ya na beda da na che Ghana for wo dia na why ukunu nim perfect onya de omo number
me say
na say ya we say asem wata hoka say I dollar na equal 5 ni kunu anye ni kunu na satan dollar 5 ni kunu a can do for can dollar na 12 cities and no kunu e twam akodu 17 cities
na ko ka sasem
Samira Baumia
o say
was say tabe de ba for people to 17 that's another dollar ya around 5 cities was say ni kunu na ba bit ma best stable that say can do for net so a ke bi dollar no can do 12 cities
mama ka sem chen
and ni kunu e twam
mama ka sem chen MPP for me MPP
yeah
ma MPP for nyo magin so nyansa chen NDC for da sa dem tell me buku afu sa asem na yo moka and anka nye ye ne wa ba ma o dey stop about it, they should forget about it. That's an person moka ti are they telling us so many nyansa chen NDC for na say me dey ba come true me ya se kwan so bi no ye adwuma no dey technical things e ba o ti omo a and nye ya na GDP na and say dey ade and the businessman o kwa kwota dey ko for A4 sheet so kwa kwota bi ana businessman o kwa kweli no ma dey free port wakata so man A4 sheet say on work percentage in depreciation na saka NDC na to so combined was some moment for my NDC for na some kind of mass no when John Dramani Mama was leaving office around this time it was around 4.44 Ghana cedis as a man of person can say
ai do you see say ye ben bunya do you see say ba beto aba
Shabla sisi
ye beto aba sika wo system ni mu ye be dibres
Shabla sisi me say the cost of Ghana we need a divine intervention from God. I'm telling you things are extremely difficult now meba so wo catch am say nyawo na mo wa ban man kanama be bisi basa why dey asem na person catch me do you want to play with my intelligence and conscience or what and now that be na catch am say dollar na 17 Ghana cedis and then 17 say ko 18 and now do abuchi no bro $100 and ye 1,800 na na businessman na no aka no ma na ano na ye 15 Ghana cedis 16 Ghana cedis and na 18 Ghana cedis no what are you telling the person ni para make arrangements wa gochire wa wie ya de ade na ba ya de na 14 Ghana je say ko 18 Ghana ni pa yo so akọ additional 4 cities at the council ni scan the money pa no what the more we know the bar every businessman is thinking about how to maximize profit, how to make revenue. You push it onto the consumer. That's how person can say me say as I'm person to say as no bra
before mabu gauge na dey measure den amamuno mabu
so na me catch you me say I come as the na ye no ya dey the change your mama dey be say asem no na Kufa dey aba be we say no kra because mama time unemployment 8.2 Kufa dey 14.7 that be am catch enkoye. If you look at under mama treasury bill was around 29 to 30%, and then 30 to 47%. Mama no nyade gauge won't see your measure be the measure dey no gauge be one year dey Akufo dey wo gauge the class say gauge no na say catch say enye MPP wa that statement they should stop it.
But MPP for fee say omo na nyansafo mo wiase omo believe say Queen Elizabeth buy.
The problem is
omo na omo ji Queen Elizabeth buy to omo Queen Elizabeth nante and woman
the problem is
she say na say calculation mo nam ana Mahama chap na cocoa bag baako na to cement say ana na ye cocoa bag no 30 million etimi to cement 30 bags ana de enye and na kwa web market ya cocoa bag I was say keton 90 million and now mo say Ghana for say me boa Mumusa say adent na Ghana for a smuggle cocoa e boka e de cocoa d'Ivoire e de Togo
me say
ukọ na beton 30 million krona ankoma smuggle de akọ
under John Dramani mama under John mama as na the minimum wage was around 8 to 10 Ghana cedis and what me tom mo bag e di kofi ti what me tom mo bag e di kofi ene obusu make twin me tom mo bag
tepi
no mo cement na say mo ka no and your mama let's even make the figure 30 Ghana cedis
yeah
per bag Ukita 3,000 obetima to be over 100 bags so the kwa kwedi person and no ukita 3,000 bags do send abeto so that's na me pesa metim young people ba so dey me time mpe do constructive debate don't
se be so bu fi se omo na nyansafo a omo ka nyame afoma wie ebremu omo no timi chete free education ba ko omo aye enne ubusa omo a dollar to cedi ratio free education ubusa plan for free education
me go for bisa omo say Russia Ukraine war Russia any Ukraine kura no their economy is better than that omo to bombo grenade ya to bomba dai birigu amanfo dwane ene sa no
na o yentia ana MPP ni ko posti Kamala Harris akwana afuna na Donald Trump abono awa America no also or the bus na the campaign ana Baumia so the bus na the campaign ana mo ka dia boom ana mo say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia has shown us the way Kamala Harris the vice president is using the bus Baumia too is using the bus and tina omo any that's one say Kamala me no we ne ya na nko so e de omo de ba
me di wi ama okra sa asema de
omo ko ye na ebu po omo dey Donald Trump party omo access there any financial access there
me di wi ama sa so akofa ba men 5 minutes ama
okay
the NPP and the NDC they should spare us
okay
the NPP and the NDC they should spare us
okay
you be catch us say Ghana election it has US election has a bearing on Ghana elections is never true
okay
from 1992 ba besi 2020 2016 na year adwuma
yeah
2020 anya adwuma because 2020 Republicans for opposition
yeah
Akufo-Addo win mu nya yeso
so
MPP for no kre so mu sister for no any side Republicans no NDC for so the any Democrats no kre obi any problem now if you look at issues if you look at Donald Trump or Kofi by I'm say John Dramani mama yejitum if you look at Donald Ayefene say MPP for I'm say they are going to take
but on say I'm also can say na to trimo
so say
also Donald Trump ka so beto war bi wo Mexico
I was saying the immigrants some more yes
Anna Nanado so ka so beto war bi wo voter region
hey simple
Nanado so beto war bi voter region
where me di amount both political parties should spare us they should be able to explain their products policies and programs on person they should bring it down for the ordinary Ghanaian to understand Donald Trump the offense say the campaign he was able to address the issues and attack policies my men so no na me dey work and to be a me here dey mama fam hu kwagye sa no ma we mu kra obete George Mutari Bawa was say mo bomb my men abaso e chese the second coming what so nipa ba kura so support Kamala Harris and when I was chese the second coming of JDM MPP forced the alarms of KSMB now it is going to their favor it is never ever
but honorable Ken I say papa no we yameketu also the class or say only can say in the whole world vice president they are teso na opese woji akunwa no na ordinary party etwaso no what say okoto say only say 10% say
10% they said also about 95% of them they come in elections. Do you know why? They feel and think say Odi nipa na eko na eba. Adwene na nipa na befa bi ono na efa. So you cannot run away from the system. But we have a catch so we meet the 33 policies aba aye adwuma.
But sikana wajija bana ayira system with you.
They say nipa so we meet ampa we meet but ultimately the 33 policies aba.
Mate it me to tie ashe. Mate it me she farm bet. Sikano says no answer there was a master.
So this is what Samira said when they wanted power. Okay, I say 2016 time na Abozege epe power no. Say na Abozege yire Bawumia e kan 2016 obi anche no ojimi ne ho saa na eja no. And this is what she said. In 2016, Samira Bawumia launched this senseless attack. Senseless cry say bro kitwa. Ka foolish ya. Senseless they oka en yawo. Senseless send ye de. Oka na was issue senseless as I was say foolish. So I got the senseless nipa no enya ne ya ohun so ojimi. Until you need to use words onu be hu say 2016 your friend Samira mi Jimmy papa mi Jimmy me homa MPP for stage so when you say she launched a senseless they say okay who sin entire so winning break Samira Bawumia launched a foolish attack on President John Mahama. She was neither arrested nor put on trial. Now this is the statement from Samira. We see you. We see corruption. That's what they say. We see you. We see corruption. Sakalas way. I me see. One day MPP for a press conference and I saw more congress. Omo man me jiran finfin no mo pan so man no huru nanim. Omo man pegini so huru nanim. Come because say hey. Sana all this while the bois le choix. I what you say of French him. I all this one sana le bois le choix. I just ye Jimmy ache. All this one sana ye Jimmy ache. Moko conference amon frɛ Bawumia na mon frɛ Samira sɛ ɔhuhuru nanim ansa na mato ma Bawumia MPP for ma mema mo trick baako sɛ bo bɛsɛ bo hu sɛ Bawumia na yere dɔm yɛ fake adam bɛkɔ congress bi amkɔ yi wan sɛ conference o mon frɛ Samira embra stage na mo ma ne panyini ana pia water mienu na mo sɛ madam J ansa na bɛka sɛ we know you we see corruption she should wash her face ɔhuhuru nanim na yɛn hu tibia ɔtie ansa na yakɔ yanim. People, nobody knows about Samira. Facial recognition to me picking up. Because the layers na could do the body nankasa no. Layers near 1,005. Facial recognition nankasa voting facial recognition machine and to me pick Samira. Samira is a walking contradiction cosmetic makeup artist bag. Yes, cosmetic confusion dear makeup artist bag. I am refi. Wait, me say MPP for Moko conference na so say ni kunbedi president mama ni so Alanka supporters most of them say Samira Bejinsio mama mo nyom na mo ntonkyere no Alanka supporters mama mo nyom kakra Alan Beba se wo say Samira se wo say Bawumia Beba dia Jinsio hohoro wenim muntie Alan Beba se wo se Bawumia Beba dia Jinsio hohoro wenim ne hu se wo ya ga na ni hohoro wenim Alan Beba se wo se Bawumia Beba dia Jinsio hohoro wenim se wo se Bawumia ba Jinsio hohoro wenim tin MPP for money campaign you Alan for me chira kakra Alan Beba say wo se Bawumia Beba dia Jinsio hohoro wenim Alan Beba say wo se Bawumia Beba dia Jinsio hohoro wenim say wo se Bawumia Beba Jinsio hohoro wenim pam mama campaign song bako mu Jimmy no ala supporters mo fanko. All right, so Bawumia hearing noted mun twanto monto osi obni kunu bebra o ma huru ni mo stage enkan na so me maka kire mo momentie Samira Bawumia during election 2016 the okachire John Dramani Mahama we see you me say wo you see eja o wenim kalaskalas say Ethiopian eagle. Muhe This is Samira Bawumia. Time and now, or your campaign. Muntie, this is Samira Bawumia.
NDC flag, President Mama poster, NDC or more branding gun and you know, the branding. Into the youth of this country, we are saying to the NDC that we see you all right. You want us to see you? We see you, but we see incompetence. We see you, but we see corruption. We see you, but we see mismanagement. We see you, but we see bad governance. We see you, but we want change. We see you, but we want Ghana to move forward.
Yehumaya Obana Shamaya fi Kominini I Obi Papa na Jina the politics enyo Jimmy Besi Jimmy the bi dey abankwan na dem omunum yo I ye Jimmy to the point say teacher need to be Jina koranim a lion has a tail you have to go home, make sure you tell your mother to make palm nut soup, it will give you blood. And then they will go for other.
Yo, it is for winning and someone about the door. Yapuno so make out say hi GC News. And indeed, so when you subscribe for more than say over subscribe to the channel. Now feel so we are like a video, give us a thumbs up. Now feel share my offer for so now when you be here and say how to get latest and hot news. Kwa enamide Bremo. Also betting me at working fire and so we now will comment boxing. Mobati make a video in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.